Hello everybody and welcome back here on Froggo's Creators Academy. In the last video we introduced this new app for Streamlabs, which has been updated quite significantly. However, most of the features are the same. In today's video we are going to address everything to do about the overlay and the editor functionality of the mobile app. And we're going to talk about some of its quirks and problems that should be fixed, hopefully, with the next update. Or maybe a new little patch will come out. So in the top right-hand corner is still the settings. When you first open the app and you go to settings, this is what it will show you. And you'll notice there is no editor feature. You need to hit that Go to Advanced Settings button. And there is the editor and the themes. Now, according to an email from the Streamlabs Mobile app developers, the themes are going to be stream overlays that you can add in to your stream easier, and that's going to be where you get your real functionality at later on for stream overlays. For now, it's kind of jinxy, and we'll get into that when we do it. So when we hit the editor, this will come up. You should hit start now. I'm going to hit cancel because otherwise it'll stop my video recording. In the top right hand corner, once again, there is the layers tab. So we'll hit the layers tab. We will add a layer. We are going to add a camera. So now the camera is added in. We will minimize this all the way down to about right there. And sometimes the camera shows, sometimes it doesn't. You will have to play with it depending on your device. Sometimes the screen doesn't show. And there we go. There is the camera. As you can see, there's my face, but it is currently blocked. So we need to open that editor once more, and we'll see that the camera is at the very top. Apparently, you need to drag it down to the bottom. You would think the top layer is at the top. No, the top layer needs to be at the bottom. So now, as we can see here, is my entire face. So we are all good to go. Ooh, look at that. These face masks are giving me insane face mask acne. It's insane. I do not like it. But here we are. We are back into the layers tab. Now we can go ahead and add in an image. Now, I would love to add in my own custom overlays that I have built for Twitch and for YouTube streaming. However, they're kind of sort of not working right now. I do not know why, but they're just not functioning like they should be. And as we'll see right here, you see there is nothing there. I'm not too sure why it is doing that, but it is doing it. And so I cannot use my custom stuff just at the moment. And as you'll see here, our camera disappeared again, and now we're back on the top as the requirement. It's buggy. 1 minute you need to have everything at the top, the next not. So we added another image in, and I did that kind of fast, so let's go back at that. So if we go to add image, last time we did add from device and it wasn't working. I still have not gotten that to work at all. I don't know if it's something on my phone or just something with the app. But if we go to Streamlabs library, we can scroll down and we could choose an overlay that is already in the app. And then now we have this guy right here, which we can go ahead and put down right there. And we can get the camera. Kind of hard to move the camera sometimes if you have the overlays on there like that. We'll lock that. We will shrink this camera just a little bit. Shrink it just a little bit more. That should be perfect. Let's check this out. Yep. Now our face cam is inside of the face cam border. There's a little bit of an edge on it right here that you can see through there, but I mean, it's not a perfect science just yet with this app. So now that we have a face cam border, we can also add in other things if you wanted to. So we can also add in from the Streamlabs library. We can add in the bits, followers, donations, subscribers. We can add in all of those items there. I haven't gotten them to work properly yet, but they are there and they do work sometimes. So there is that. Now if we scroll out of there, or back out of there, now we have a screen, we have our camera, we have the image for our overlay. We can add in text if we want to. The stream label is not quite working for me just yet. I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe it's not fully rolled out yet, or it's bugged out. Like I said, this was a recent update. And text label, we can add in some hard text to our stream. However, we're not going to do that. What we do want is to add a widget. So if we come here, we can add a custom URL widget, or we can add a Streamlabs widget. If we add the Streamlabs widget, we can get things like the chat box. So here is the chat box. That's going to be in the right-hand side of our screen. Now our viewers can have a visual of the chat box. Add widget again. Now we can also add in a donation goal, an event list, so our viewers can see the event list, which is the subs and all that, basically the alerts, who's donating and everything else. We can add in viewer count, follower goals. We want to reach a certain amount of followers during that stream or during that week or that month. All of these things are customizable through the Streamlabs website, which we will get into on a next video. So there we go. Now we have a chat box. We have our face cam. There we go. Face cam, the border. We have the alert box in the middle. We have our screen share. And in the top right, we also have a chat overlay. So that's it, guys. That is everything you need to know about the editor. You can come in here and play with this and try to find new things to do and whatnot. And as you saw, sometimes the overlay needs to be at the top or the bottom of the order to get it to show on the top. I'm not too sure what's going on with that either, but if it's not showing up, just remember those 3 bars right there will allow you to drag it up and down, move it around, and get that perfect little spot so that you can assure that everything is showing. Oh, go away, low battery. I know. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for checking out this video. And remember, if you like this content or if you are looking forward to content in the future, please hit that subscribe button. This is my second channel. My main channel is a gaming channel where I play Minecraft, Call of Duty, and Eve Echoes. So that is where I make my priority. That's where my focus is at. So all of this stuff is extra and on the side. And so if you guys like this stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know that you like it, and I'll make sure I devote more time to getting content out on this channel as well, so that it is more useful. Until next time, bye-bye.